In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a single image on your page using the built-in image block with no guesswork. First, make sure you're looking at the area of the page where you want the image to appear. On Squarespace, content is added in blocks inside sections. When your cursor is over a section, you'll see an option to add new content. Click on Add Block. This opens the block picker, which is Squarespace's menu of all the different content types you can insert, like text, buttons, galleries, and of course images. If you don't immediately see what you need, there's a search field at the top of the picker, and you can also scroll to browse. Next, choose the image option. Clicking image inserts an empty image block right where your cursor is, reserving space on the page for your photo. You'll see a placeholder area that represents the image container. This is helpful because it shows you how the image will flow with your surrounding content and gives you a sense of alignment before anything is uploaded. Now, open the block's editor so you can add your actual file. Double-click the image block. This brings up the image settings panel, which is where you'll control the file itself, as well as options like design and display settings once the image is in place. If you've ever worked with other Squarespace blocks, this panel will look familiar. It's the same streamlined editor designed to keep everything in one spot. Finally, add your image. Click on Upload File. Your computer's file browser will appear, and you can choose the photo you want to use. Squarespace supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and high-resolution images are fine. Just remember that excessively large files can slow down page load times. Pick your file, confirm, and let the upload complete. You'll see a progress indicator, followed by a live preview of the image inside the block once it's ready. A few quick tips while it uploads. Descriptive file names can help keep your content organized, and choosing images that match the aspect ratio you want will minimize unexpected cropping by the design. If your image looks too large or small at first, don't worry. You can refine design options in the same panel after the file appears. That's it. You clicked Add Block, selected Image, double-click the block to open its settings, and used Upload File to bring in your picture. With these steps, you can place images cleanly and confidently anywhere on your Squarespace page.